my Fabe, welcome to my moment. Let's get ready with me on my 26th birthday. Yes, today is my birthday and I'm going to show you step by step how I achieved this amazing look. Let's get started. The first step is to prep your skin. I'm using Clinique 72-hour moisture surge and I'm going to apply all over my face and my neck. This is such a good product. If you have acne skin or sensitive, this is really good use for it. The next process is applying sunscreen. This is very critical to your daily routine, so make sure to apply a lot. For eyebrows, I'm using NYX Professional Makeup. This is a macro eyebrow pencils. So I'm just going to use this as an outline. I'm not going to use it as to fill it in, because if I forget that I have my eyebrows, that it's on fleek and I actually scratch it, it's completely gone. And so I'm just going to use this as an outline, and I'm going to use different products to fill it in. To fill in my eyebrows, I'm using Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is the pomade eyebrows. So later on for my birthday, we are going to eat with my family, and actually it's going to be a celebration for 3 of us, because my dad and my brother have the same month birthday. And so I think it's a great opportunity just to do a birthday party all once. Next step, I'm using Pore Professionals by Benefit. This is such a great product to actually cover your pores. So I'm going to use the classic Naked palette right here. This is Urban Decay. I want some natural, like neutral colors instead of too popping colors. And I'm going to use this Virgin Colors, and I'm going to apply all over my eye. I'm using my ring finger. This is like a transition color, so I'm just going to apply all over my eye. Do you see that, how fast it is? And then I'm just going to blend it in with my fingers, and then I'm going back to use a bigger blending brush and blend it out. I'm going to pick up this buck color right here. What I'm going to do is tap out the excess a little bit, and then I'm just going to shade the outside part. And I'm gently doing a circling motion to blend it in. You see how fast this is? You don't have to be an expert, but hey. And also, like, to really use all your asset instead of like leaving this place blank. Don't be shy, just blend it in. And if you have hooded eye, make sure to go on top of that line. And then I'm going to connect the V right here. Make sure that you are going to blend very well before continue on to the next stage. Next step, I'm going to use my ring finger and apply in the color Half Baked. It's a beautiful golden colors, and I'm going to apply that right in the middle of my eye for some colors and add some pop. And I'm just going to blend it until I'm satisfied. Grab a wipe or Q-tip to clean away any imperfections. Use a blending brush to blend any harsh line that you are not satisfied. Let's go back to the original colors version, and we are going to apply that under our eyebrows. This is going to add a pop of colors and also making your eyebrows look more sleek. For my under eye, I'm using a detail brush, adding the colors Dark Horse, and I'm going to apply that under my bottom lid. I want to add a pop of colors in the inner corner of my eyes. I'm using Ofra Nikkietutorials, and this is her highlighters. I'm using the colors in the middle, and I'm just going to apply in my tear ducts. For eyeliners, I'm using Too Faced Better Than Sex, and this is such a beautiful colors eyeliner. It's so rich and so dark, and it stays as matte. There's no light in it. And I also want to add an evil eye eyeliner shapes. This is going to create a mysterious and also a very sexy look. But be careful because it's definitely easy to mess it up. Now it's time for my favorite part. Yes, add in some eyelashes. And I just want to let you know I did put a double eyelashes to get this thick and full. So if you're wondering where you could get that, it's from AliExpress. I'm definitely going to link the information below. Okay, so I'm just done with my classic look. This has always been my go-to look since I was in middle school doing smoky eye. But I mean, through time you get more experience, you do a better jobs. And by the way, I have Sephora writing to me that it was my gift. Every year you get a gift from them, especially your birthday month. So even if you are not a VIP member, you can still sign up as just a regular member. So do that and they give you a really good products. I mean, it's for free, so why not, right? And then this is the one that they gave me for a VIP. This is a birthday gift. And it's half hourglass, which is extremely expensive, but this is a really great product to try. I'm telling you, I think it's really good that you get the chance to try this on. I mean, this is a pretty expensive. This is just a travel size. I love travel size products. So that is a translucent setting powder right there. And then this one, this is a primer. Is a sunscreen, have an SPF of 15, and this is oil free. So I guess you just apply all over your face. It felt really soft and very smooth. I don't think this is covering your pores. Earlier I did put some Benefit primer, so I'm just going to put this on top of it. It is time to add some foundation. I'm using Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundations. This is color Golden Beige. Make sure you have a damp beauty blender and bounce it all over your face. And I'm telling you, this stink. It smells like a paint. But the turn out of it is absolutely amazing. Look at that amazing finish. Don't I look flawless? OMG, we are covering that holes, we are covering all blemishes, we are covering away any mistake that we have done to our face. Oh yeah. It is time to contour my face. I'm using a Tarte Shape Tape. This is color light neutral. Just copy where I place the area that I want to lighten up that face. To blend it in, make sure that you are going up instead of dragging it down because we want to lighten up your under eyes and it's going to brighten up that whole area. Super pretty, absolutely elegant. This is not that fun, so I'm definitely going to fast forward. If you want to learn how to contour, I have a video that dedicates for it. But for now, we are going to move on. I never tried this product before, so I'm super excited. It's pretty expensive, so I don't have a makeup that is hourglass yet, but I will have it someday. And I'm going to tap this out on this cap right here. Come on, come out wherever you are. I don't usually bake my face, but this time I just want my makeup to be perfect. And if you are going to party the night away, make sure to bake, or you can even just put powder on top of your foundations to let it sit. It's really thin, really fine. The great thing that they don't have any smell to it, so it does not cause me to sneeze. But the Coty Airspun, oh my gosh, it's like a grandma makeup, so it does make you sneeze really hard. I really like this. I have to admit that I really like this. So if you have the money to buy this brand, definitely this is a great brand.
It's time for bronzers. I'm using Hoola Benefit. I'm telling you that I use this with love. There's a lot of bead up in the cover.
And I'm going to use a large shadow brush, tap out the excess, and then I'm going to contour my face. So if you think that this is a lot and oh my gosh, you accidentally put too much, don't worry. Just wait a minute, I have a solution to fix it. And I'm going to contour under my chin to make a very structured face. So if you want to lose like some pounds, this is a trick.
It's also very critical to add bronzers on your hairline. This is going to help the look pull together and it's going to look flawless and beautiful and ready for pictures.
Now I'm going to grab a bigger brush and to blend it in. So this is the Unstoppable powder. This is from the VIET brush. And then I'm just basically blend it in and then I'm going up instead of going down. Make sure that you're going to bring it up and flick backward to your ear. And then for this part, make sure you're going to go down toward your chin. So you see it's lighting up your face. So it's not going to have a harsh line like this. And then for here, blend it out closely to your hairline.
I'm going to really brighten it under my cheekbone using the Hourglass Translucent, and this technique is going to help you to brightening that area. Absolutely beautiful.
I feel like this is like a cornstarch or any kind of baking powder. Like cooking powder, you can basically put it on your face. I don't know, I'm just joking, don't do that. But I'm really interested in trying it one day. I'm going to use the VIET brush, and this is a blurring powder, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to take out any excess that lay on top of my skin and will be brushed away. So I'm going to add some blushes.
This is the Ulta brand blushes and it's so pretty. By the way, the color is cotton candy. For highlighters, I'm using a diamond bomb all over a diamond veil. Oh, this is from Fenty Beauty. Absolutely stunning and beautiful. It's a 3D glittering. To create a taller nose, I'm using Ofra Nikkietutorials highlighters, and I'm going to add a line right between my eyes and also on the tip of my nose using my ring finger to blend it in.
Oh, it squeezed me. Oh my gosh. I sneeze loud. Oh, squeeze me.
I was planning to use this color as an outline only, but it turned out I used for my whole lips. This is Bosom Plumping Lips Liner. This color is Hush Hush. Now I'm just being extra. So I'm using a Wet n Wild gel lip liners and I'm just going to outline my lips. I definitely want to add some glitters and some fun. I'm using Anastasia lip gloss and I'm just going to target right in the inner corners of my lips, right there. So pretty. For setting sprays, I'm using Urban Decay All Nighter in a spray like crazy so we can set it and forget it.
I need to buy me a fan, seriously, because I keep fanning myself and it's still wet. I mean, like, I spray a lot because I really want this makeup to last all day. This is the completed look. I hope you enjoy, and also comment below if you want to see more of this, any requests or challenge. Also give this video a thumb up. Don't forget to click subscribe and ring the bell for more notifications. And as always, love yourself, stay motivated. Peace out. I am, when will my reflection show? I hope you enjoyed this look. Comment below if you, why am I blank out? This video a thumb up. Good.